What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked about in the comments all the time, and that is about the hats I do. So I've noticed this throughout. People ask if I'm going to do more videos on them. Can I help them with this? Where do I get this from? Where do I get that from? So I figured I would just do a video. It's not going to be anything today of me pressing t-shirts or anything like that. Mainly this channel I do t-shirts and show you how I started a little t-shirt business out of my house. But I'm going to answer the questions for this to hopefully help anybody out there. So the main question I'm getting is about my leather patches on my hats. So this one right here is a leather patch, the fake leather, and then I get, this one has HTV on it, so you don't even need to use DTF, but these other ones are DTF transfers from Ninja Transfers, or you can get them from Flash Custom Transfers, wherever you want to get them from. So that's the main thing that people keep asking me about. So this one is a DTF transfer, and this one is HTV. I'll hold that up for you guys. Can't really tell a difference in them. The only thing is you have to weed this one out. So, also I wanted to bring up to you guys, I get embroidery patches with the adhesive on the back. And I use my hat heat press that I got from Amazon. These I got from Amazon from a third-party seller, so I believe these came from China. And then also I got these. These are off Etsy. This is for something else I was doing. And these have the Velcro on the back for, you know, like your military tactical bags or whatever you want to do, or even hats. You can get the adhesive on the back. But this was embroidered by somebody off Etsy, and this one was Amazon. Or you can go to, even like I said, these other places like Ninja Transfers. There's companies out there that will make the embroidery patches with the adhesive on the back. And also you could just use your basic DTF transfer, and then I get like the 5-panel hat. So this doesn't have the seam right down the middle. You just get a 5-panel instead of a 6-panel hat. This one is also the one with my embroidery patch. And this is all easy stuff to do. Once you get into the embroidery patches, it gets a little more pricier when you're getting your full logo embroidered with the adhesive, but it's a lot cheaper to get a hat heat press and get them made up yourself if you're trying to do it for your own business hats instead of send them out, because embroidery can be expensive. This is a much easier, cheaper route to go. So I just wanted to bring that up. And with this situation, I just got all these different patches. They come in two different of the colors. I got them off Amazon. You could also go out there and you can get die cut patches. You can get the laser engraved ones with your logo on them with the adhesive on the back. This is just a simple way that I do it. And what I normally do is I'll tear, there's a film over top of the adhesive. I tear that off, and then I use hot heat tape to tape this on, and I print it all at once. I press it onto the hat all at once. And then, like I said, they come out real nice and clean. I've never had any problems with any of these popping up or anything. And that's off Amazon Heat Press. These are Yupong hats, snapbacks. I get these from Jiffy Shirts. This is just your basic snapback, but it's the flat bill and the 5-panel. I believe this is Port Authority. What's this one? This one's just big. This one's just a cheaper one I got off Jiffy Shirts. They have hats, bags, everything like that. But you could also put these patches on other things. And the DTF works great on top of the fake leather. So I will be doing other videos on the hats. Like I said, it's not what I do mainly on my channel. I mainly do, you know, the t-shirts, DTF, screen printed plastisol transfers, all things like that. But I will do, definitely, since I've been getting a lot of views on my last videos, on my hat videos, I'm gonna start doing more hat videos and just showing you guys. These I just basically do for myself, for my own business hats. I wear these or I give them away or whatnot. But this is, you know, I did do a video on, I did about 30 hats for a bar, an Allegiant that's around here, an Italian club. So I've done orders with hats. Them ones I've done the 5-panel with DTF. You can go back into my videos and find all these videos that I did. But I'll definitely be doing more hat videos for you guys, because that's one of the big ones that I'm getting questions about. And I just think it'd be easier for me to do another rundown. But if you go back and farther in my videos, you will find my hat videos, and there's probably about, I'd say, 6 or 7 of them out there that I did with the hats. So I will get into it. I appreciate all the questions and the comments. Sorry I haven't been posting. It's just been with the holidays and everything. So I figured I'd get a video in before the new year, and then hopefully this new year I can start smashing out videos, you know, at least twice a week, or keep it going, you know, with the shorts and everything. So I appreciate, you know, all the questions in the comments and giving me content ideas. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.